Hello friends, welcome in YouTube channel. I am Samin Sheikh, working as an assistant professor at KVN Naik College, Nasik. In this video, I will focus on protection and the protection of functional group in organic synthesis. First, discuss the chemoselectivity. Chemoselectivity means the reactant containing two or more functional group. At that time, one functional group is preferentially reacted than the other. Therefore, which function group is preferentially reacted than the other is say that the chemoselectivity. It can be explained the following example. In this reactant, there are two types of functional group. One is ketonic carbonyl group, other is aldehyde carbonyl group. When it reacts with NaBH4, NaBH4 is a mild reducing agent. Therefore, only reduce the aldehyde carbonyl group, not the ketonic carbonyl group, to use such types of product. But I want the reduction of the ketonic carbonyl group to use this product. This can be done by blocking the reactivity of aldehyde group by using some specific group, and it is called as protecting of the aldehyde group. Therefore, so simple. Protection means when a chemical reaction is to be carried out selectively at one reactive site in a multifunctional compound, then other reactive site must be temporarily blocked. Therefore, by using protecting group, the function group convert into unreactive form. Generally, which protecting group are used? It should be cheaply and commercially available. It is easily and efficiently introduced to the reactant. It should not be created any stereogenic center during the reaction. It is stable throughout the reaction, and it is easily removed, means it is easily deprotected after completion of the reaction. Generally, most reactive function group require the protection, such as hydroxyl group, because hydroxyl group in which oxygen carry two lone pair of electron, or aldehyde and ketone groups, it is containing electron deficient carbonyl group. Amine nitrogen containing two lone pair of electrons, and either carboxylic acid. Let us discuss the protection of one by one. The first, the protection of hydroxy group. It can be done by few ways. First, O is converted into either simple ether form or converted into alkoxy ether, converted into Cyril ether, or into aceter, or either on converted into ester. In case of simple ether, the hydroxy group converted into methyl ether or benzyl ether or p-methoxybenzyl ether or 2-naphthyl methyl ether or converted into either triethyl ether. In case of alkoxy ether, the OH group converted into methoxymethyl ether or methoxymethyl ether or benzoxymethyl ether. In case of Cyril ether, the OH group converted into trimethylserine, triethylserine or triisopropylserine or t-butyldimethyl-serine or t-butyldiphényl-serine. In case of aceter, the OH group is converted into TSP, or ester, OH converted into ester by using acetyl choline or anhydride or by using pyrrolate. Now discuss the protection of the OH group by using simple ether. The first OH converted into methyl ether. This can be done by using CH2N2 or NaSMeI. The deprotection can be done in presence of Lewis acid or like this reagent. This reaction having one drawback: deprotection cannot be easily done only except in case of phenol. Now, first base abstract the proton from OH to become alkoxy ion. Then this alkoxy ion attack on CH3 to form methyl ether, that is protective form, and then deprotection can be done by using TMSI CH2Cl2. In this reactant, there are two types of OH protected. One is methyl ether, other is benzyl ether. Then the protection is done by using LBr3, but only methyl ether is deprotected in presence of Lewis acid, not the benzyl ether. Therefore, the protection of only one OS, not the other in the product. Now, by second way, OS converted into benzyl ether. It can be done by using benzyl chloride in presence of Ks or these types of reagent. The deprotection is done by using simple reducing agent S2PtO2, lithium ammonia or many on. It is stable under acidic or basic condition. Therefore, acidic or basic condition can be useful for the deprotection purpose. The OS, first NS abstract the proton from OS, then O minus attack on the CS2 to give protective form, that is benzyl ether, and then benzyl ether converted to the protective form by using such types of reagent. It is a reducing agent. Now next one is p-methoxybenzyl ether. The short form is PMB. It can be done by using base in presence of p-methoxybenzyl chloride, and the protection is done by using such types of reagent in reducing agent or in presence of DDQ, in presence of CAN or in presence of electron source. The protection are easily take place. Now next one is alcohol first react with p-methoxybenzyl chloride to give protective form. The next reagent OS converted into 2-naphthyl ether, that requires NAP. It can be done by using 2-chloromethyl naphthyl in presence of base, and the protection is done by simple hydrogenolysis. Consider the reaction. In this reaction, there are three types of OS. One OS is deprotected, other two are protected by NAP and by benzene. When it react with hydrolysis, then at that time only one OS is deprotected, not this. Therefore, gives the product the OBN is remaining. Then by using triethyl ether, the structure of the triethyl is like this. Triphenyl methyl is called as triethyl groups. It can be done by using triethyl chloride in presence of pyridine, and the protection is done by using mild acid. Consider this reaction. In this reaction there are two types of OS. One is primary OS, another is secondary OS. Primary OS having less steric effect, the secondary OS having more steric effect. Therefore, this reacts with triethyl chloride. Therefore, which OS is protected? The structure of the triethyl chloride containing 3 phenyl group. Therefore, the bulky reagent. Therefore, it is approached only from the primary OS. Hence, triethyl chloride is useful selectively for the protection of primary alcohol. In many times, MSc exam asking the such types of question, why triethyl ether is useful for this primary alcohol? Because bulky groups. Then to give protection of the primary alcohol, not the secondary alcohol. Now in this reaction there are three types of OS protected, one by OBZ, other by OTR triethyl, and third one is by OTBS. Then it reacts with mild acid, that is formic acid. Therefore, in presence of mild acid, only one OS is deprotected, not these two other. Because OTR is easily deprotected in mild acidic condition, it is stable in basic condition. Hence, in the product, two OS is protected and one OS is deprotected. Now friends, in the next lecture, I will discuss the protection of OS group by another way. Thank you so much and take care.